Hi, welcome to my channel. This channel is against the Big Bang. Basically, I discovered the Big Bang is false. So in this process, by Doppler effect and stuff like this, I discover many things. Light is gravity. So because you are wondering if light goes towards the red or not, things like this. So in each video I cut from other video for exemplification, some thematics. So I comment them. I don't have anything with these guys against, but okay, you see, Sabine Hossenfelder. So I cut from this video today.
Last year, we saw the first new theory for quantum gravity for decades, post-quantum gravity from Jonathan Oppenheim, the only theory that made it into my best of 2024 summary. But to tell you the truth, I don't think it's correct. Today I want to tell you about a new paper that makes me think that we can soon say goodbye to it.
Okay, if you are that, this is the way I made the videos, okay? I've told you by now that it's about quantum gravity. So what is gravity? Gravity is light. It is light, but light does not have a certain speed. So I have here Einstein both formulas of Einstein formulas. In first one you say the relativity, but he named it, this is the first one, but he named it the propagation of the waves, the electromagnetic waves. By the way, it is light, like gravity. So about strong connection and weak connections, they are made with light also. Sabine says that is some attraction. There's not attraction. It's like different ways of hooking light. Okay. So first of all, of Einstein papers, both are wrong. Okay. So I will prove to you. I wrote them here. E equal mc square. Energy is not related with mass. Energy, it is light as does not have mass. Okay, and is not related to c square, it is 300,000 kilometers per second, because light does not have a certain speed. So in this way, you see, some people like to say that they have another formulas. This is for general relativity. And in this paper you name it relativity, but it is like the propagation wireless of electron. This is the name of original paper by Einstein. But in that paper, if you know it, if you read it, you don't speak like from one from another. Like if you, I have the book even presented on my channel. If you look there, he was showing with alpha angles, omega angles, like the propagation of waves. But light does not have a speed. So in this manner, I'll demonstrate c squared 300 kilometers per second. Okay, multiplied by mass. This is the mass. This is the mass. Okay, you scale it, and the light, and in the paper there is light. So in this manner I prove to you that Einstein is wrong. So watch another part from Sabine Hossenfelder, and I will set on fire the Einstein formula, false formula. Okay.
But we know that these theories have to cooperate somehow, because we know that quantum particles have a gravitational pull. Nature knows how it works, but we don't. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. It's not that post-quantum gravity has been ruled out, it's just that Sabine thinks it will be ruled out. It's very possible that I'm wrong and Jonathan is right, but personally I think that much like postmodern art, post-quantum gravity is a little too random.
Sabine Hossenfelder, she says in few videos that some particles were invented. I'm telling you, all the 16 particles do not exist. Matter, like this rock or a metal or anything else, is made with light. You can electroshock any metal, you melt it. And with the electricity, it is light. So I've told you that I will set on fire the Einstein formula to prove to you light does not have a certain speed. I have here like a movie, okay? Here, a movie, you watch it with your eyes. So you see like that in the logical questionnaire, like you see what you write here. You write movies with what you see them with your eyes. What do you see with your eye? Light. So what do you write here? You write light. So now you see light is static here. Is static. You write here movies, static movies. Okay. So in this in exactly the same case, c squared this is false. You see, and I prove to you if you deny this. Light is inside this paper. You do not believe that light is in this paper. Look, what is the speed of light before I release it from the paper? So look, the speed of light, what it is. So now you can deny that this paper is made with light. You cannot. You saw the mass times c square was c square because does not have c square is meters per second, 300,000 kilometers. In this manner, I prove to you that Einstein E equal mc square is false. So now one from of you like to say no, but other formulas, this is the formula, I set it on fire, it's because it's false, okay? False physics. False physics. So watch another part from Sabine Hossenfelder. I'll burn another formula, Einstein formula. It's about quantum gravity. Gravity is light. It is a field of light. I'll explain to you how mass is made in this video. Okay, so watch another part of Sabine Hossenfelder.
To get it done, we need a theory of quantum gravity. Most approaches to quantum gravity so far have worked by giving quantum properties to gravity. This new theory is different. Called post-quantum gravity by Jonathan Oppenheim, it works by adding randomness to gravity in such a way that it fits to the randomness of quantum physics. This gravitational randomness doesn't come from anything else. Oppenheim just assumes that it's a property of nature, like the randomness of quantum mechanics. Oppenheim and his collaborators also say that this randomness changes the law of gravity at large scales and that this could do away with the need for dark matter.
Okay, if you watch that, okay, another part from Sabine Hossenfelder. Okay, now another formula of Einstein formula, stupid, C4 power again, so if you deny that light does not have a speed, I'm telling you how mass is created. You see this paper, Einstein formula, this is general relativity. This is false physics. You do not be like dust throw in your eyes. To steal the jobs and to make engineering who they want. This is false physics if you do not believe. So look. You scale the mass, okay, and this paper you put it and you find the mass, but you see mass is made with fire and light. So both of these matter are interconnected because Sabine Hossenfelder said some atoms attract strong force and weak force is also light. Thomson light, the electron. It is light, and the electron it is light. It makes all the connection in the Mendeleev light. So how mass is created? It is a field of light. Does not have a certain speed. Okay, it's like water. Light does not have a certain speed. You can make water to go with different speeds, but this light field is produced by the border of our galaxy. This is a sphere. We cannot see the universe. Their galaxies are not mass, and gravity is not related to mass. If you understand, the moon and earth, in a virtue of inertia principle, stay together. Earth does not. Okay, there's some relation. These clouds are the border of our galaxy. These clouds, the stars are putting clouds, are not like our sun, produce an energy field that moves. it is a light field, but light does not have a speed. But these clouds make the light go like circulating like this. It is produced by the clouds. The clouds are mainly water, and these are small clouds inside our galaxy. You cannot see the universe like this. So these are small clouds, like in current day, not million years ago. Okay, Jupiter planet. And gravity is not related by mass like this. Okay. Because the planets were calculated in a geometrical manner, and this the mass is in a field, like, but a planet like this is a motor like Earth, and can attenuate or can converge this light and emit another form. Okay. So you are believing the simple mass like this, like a rock, because they were calculating by density or observing with the geometrical properties of movement on a night sky planet, not with the Newton formulas. Okay, Kepler with angles only like this, and so they observe the speed over the space over time, the speed of the planets. Okay, and now by density, mass, and you do not understand this stuff. Okay, so Einstein came in and made some improvements, bullshit, to trick the planet. So c square 300,000 kilometers of the fourth power. This is the general relativity, and I will set it on fire shortly. What is the speed of light before I release it? What it is. So you understand H2 is false physics, this is, you say, like, proofs, demonstration, experiments. Look, what's the speed of light before I release it? So the mass is made in a field of light that converges in the planet, but the planet can comport like a motor by adding or subtracting from the intensity of the field. It's not generated by the pure mass like this. Okay, so you see this is how mass is made. Even in this rock, it is a field of fire. You see, this is protons. You see, like in Mendeleev chart, as protons. The protons do not exist, neither electrons do not exist. Electron is light and has levels, straight like element opus, and does not have mass. And the mass is generated in the field of light. Okay, it pulls down on an object. You can decompose this on fire and light also, like, and the metals, you can melt them with light. The light, it is electricity. Okay, so it is not related with mass. It creates mass when you interweave it with light and you put it in a field. It grabs hold of it, not like a pulling down, like or attraction. It makes a field, like a heating field, like, okay, like this. Okay, light can attract, can do many things. But the planets were calculated with only angles. You see, the planet can be not a simple rock that you imagine that the mass increases and the gravity increases. That's black hole bullshit. Okay, so a mass can attenuate because it's light. Okay, can absorb it, can canalize it on electromagnetic fields. Magnetism is light also. So Sabine Hossenfelder shows to you Einstein general relativity is false. I told you. The electromagnetism, it is light, and Maxwell, by the way, is false also. Okay, and the strong and weak forces, like you break this rock or you break a metal, that is forces, but they are programmed and created like per light. They are not an intrinsic, like an atomic manner that you are saying. So this is the video, if you understand.
Oppenheim's group has suggested that the idea could be tested by looking for small fluctuations in the masses of objects, but it's been somewhat unclear just exactly what to look for or how to measure it. Quantum gravity is usually extremely difficult to test because gravity is such a weak force compared to the other interactions.
everything you write light on your computer. You write light. This is memory stick. You see, I have a 250 gigabyte. Like you write in a small manner pictures with light. So there is extraordinary small zoom of a picture made with light. Okay, and this is what I wanted to tell you. The strong connection and weak connections are made with light. Light can attract, can reject. Makes the chemical compounds, the color. At any level that you can cut a metal, you see light. You shine light on a gold piece, small piece. You shine light, you see yellow, you see light. Gold is made with light. All the metals in the similar manner you can think are made with light. So light is waved. Is that wave with protons? Is waved with fire. A fire is a separate matter. Okay, so the mass is created in a field already given in all the galaxies, not related by mass, only indirectly. And what you are saying, like this stuff are clouds. You are looking towards us. You see, 99% of the galaxies. This proves to you that are in a membrane, electromagnetic membrane, like this. Okay, dark energy, dark matter, does not exist, dark movement. Okay, so these galaxies are clouds, luminous clouds, and the stars are small. You can unplug the one because they are plugged and put it in your pocket. They are not similar with our sun. Okay, only few of them. Okay, and they are put in clouds like this and extract. And beyond these clouds, there's a thick membrane, How you are saying, like with the speed of light? In a rectilinear trajectory, like a day with the speed of light, thick clouds, and you see the universe. There you are bragging. Our galaxy is a sphere surrounded by clouds, producing a light field. The sun is plugged, eliminated also. You can unplug the star and put it in your pocket. They are very small. There, if you be attraction, you collapse. You see, there are distances between stars smaller than the stars in themselves. If you know, is this a small cloud, small about this line standard that you embrace? They are big. You can traverse it in our current day, and you can reach this at our current day. They are close. You can reach this fog, like is putting fog, and is in the current day. Okay, so in this video, I told you these are clouds, matter cloud. We can reach here. Okay. Are not gravity is not related to mass, only indirectly. Okay, so goodbye, God bless. This is the way I make the videos. Einstein's false physics, the weak and strong connection are made with light and fire, like waved. So it gives you okay, this and gravity or quantum gravity. Quantum means light, okay, but does not propagate. Light does not propagate inside this rock or inside the gold piece or inside this paper. It does not propagate anywhere. It makes the connections and okay. Goodbye, God bless. Like, share and subscribe. My channel is against the Big Bang. I am telling you all the science is wrong. Physics, especially in chemistry, if you understood carefully, you can go here in our current day. They are close. This is a simple cloud or a star. Okay, we can reach here. Goodbye, God bless. Only like, share and subscribe.